is a private plane that crashed in Jamaica. What you saw is Jamaican people without hesitation trying to help. So let's get right into it. No transitions, no nothing. This is the part of Jamaica that I know. This is the part of Jamaica that I love. This is my people. These people right here are my people, okay? Without hesitation, without thinking twice about it, these people risked their life to go save other people that was in that plane. And unfortunately, 3 people died and 2 are seriously injured. That's the update that I got. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not really sure about the accuracy of that. But this is my people. These are the people that I know, I love. And not all the other BS that people put in the media about us. They try so hard. They try so hard to paint Jamaica a specific way in the media. These are the things that they don't try to show Jamaica as. They don't try to show Jamaica as a loving, caring, amazingly outgoing. We are an amazing group of people, and once someone goes to that country, our energy is so infectious and that once people come to our country, they don't want to leave. Or once they come to our country, they always go back. It's always going to be their vacation place. It's always going to be where they take their family. It's always going to be where their kids or grandkids get married. Once someone goes to our country, they automatically gravitate towards our people. And this is not the picture that they try to paint in the media. This is not the light they want to show Jamaica as. And honestly, here on YouTube, we try to bring awareness and bring certain issues to the forefront so that our people can actually better themselves. They can actually do better. They can do better for themselves and also create a better environment for them to live in. So when we say certain things and do certain things here on YouTube, it's not because we're bashing our country. It's not because we hate our country. It's because we're trying to bring awareness and we're trying to bring certain things to light so that our Jamaican people can demand better. But with that being said, I applaud everybody that was present and everybody that actually, without hesitation, without any police, any authorities, any ambulance, anything, like we don't have a lot of things, but our people is so caring. Our people is so instinctual that they jumped in head first trying to save other people's life and people that they didn't even know, because this is a private plane. Private planes don't go to Jamaica unless you have a lot of money or you're well endowed in cash. So these people went head first trying to help them, and I applaud them. I applaud them because there's a lot of places that they would just look and watch that plane go up in flames and wouldn't try to help because they're more worried about their safety and their well-being. But they didn't care, man. And that's why I feel love my Jamaican people, and that's why I'm always proud to say, yo, I'm Jamaican. Like, you don't even have to ask me twice. Once you talk to me, you can automatically tell that I'm Jamaican. And this is what I like to see. I don't like to see we're killing off each other and because of scamming money and all the other issues that we have in our country. This is the Jamaica that I know. This is the Jamaica that I've grew up in and got to get to love, basically. And this is what I want to see on social media. I don't want to see the negative stuff. And that's why I'm putting this video out here, for people to actually see. We see our people in a different light and see us in a more positive light. So this is just my thoughts on that video. Nothing major. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here, man. Deuce.